Namaskar and I welcome all of you to my YouTube channel. Students, today I am going to solve two numerical problems from NSLAT Physical Science 2025 question paper. So without further delay, let's get started. Question number 1. The value of Compton wavelength of electron is option A 2.762 into 10 to the power minus 12 meter, option B 2.762 into 10 to the power minus 12 centimeter, option C 2.426 into 10 to the power minus 12 meter, and option D 2.426 into 10 to the power minus 12 centimeter. So here the correct answer is option C. Now let me explain how option C is the correct answer. Solution. We know the Compton wavelength of electron is given by lambda c is equal to h divided by me into c. So here h is the Planck constant. So h is the Planck constant and its value is 6.626 into 10 to the power minus 34 joule second. Me means rest mass of the electron. And its value is 9.1 into 10 to the power minus 31 kg. And C is the speed of light in vacuum, and its value is 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. Now let us substitute these values here. So we will get 6.626 into 10 to the power minus 34 divided by 9.1 into 10 to the power minus 31 into 3 into 10 to the power 8. So after simplification we will get 2.426 into 10 to the power minus 12 meter. So therefore the correct answer is option C. Next, tomorrow at a homework issue, please try to calculate the Compton wavelength of proton as well as the Compton wavelength of neutron also. ठीक है? Next, question number 2. First, let me read the question. The state of a one-dimensional particle is described by the wave function psi x, t equal to sin pi x by a into e to the power minus iota omega t, which is confined within the region 0 to a. What is the probability of finding the particle in the interval a by 4 to 3a by 4? Option A 1, option B 0.85, option C 0.89, option D 0.82. Here the correct answer is option D. Now let me explain how option D is the correct answer. So prathomate let us understand this question. So according to this question, we have a particle which is confined in the interval 0 to a. Within this region, the wave function of the particle is given by this expression. Here we need to find out the probability of finding the particle in the interval a by 4 to 3a by 4. ठीक है? So first solve करो. Given the wave function of the particle is psi x, t equal to sin pi x by a into e to the power minus iota omega t. and it is defined in the interval 0 to a. মনত ৰাখিবা the given wave function is unnormalized wave function. Next, এটা formula লিখি লৈছো. We know the probability of finding a particle in the interval x1 and x2 for an unnormalized wave function is given by P is equal to, so lower limit x1, upper limit x2, psi star x comma t psi x comma t dx divided by integration minus infinity to plus infinity psi star x comma t psi x comma t dx. But according to this problem, we need to find out the probability of finding the particle in the interval a by 4 to 3a by 4. That means in this case x1 will be a by 4 and x2 will be 3a by 4. And in this case the lower limit will be 0 and the upper limit will be a, because the wave function is defined in the interval 0 to a. ঠিক আছে, so statement লিখি লৈছো. According to the question, the wave function is defined in the interval 0 to a, and we need to find out the probability of finding the particle in the interval a by 4 to 3a by 4. So next, let us put the limits here. Therefore P is equal to integration a by 4 to 3a by 4 psi star, that means sin pi x by a into e to the power plus iota omega t into psi x comma t. So sin pi x by a into e to the power minus iota omega t into dx divided by integration, lower limit will be 0 and upper limit will be a, psi star, that means this part, sin pi x by a into e to the power iota omega t into sin pi x by a into e to the power minus iota omega t into dx. So ইয়াত e to the power plus iota omega t into e to the power minus iota omega t. So ekita cancel jabo. So we will get integration a by 4 to 3a by 4 sin square pi x by a into dx divided by integration 0 to a sin square pi x by a into dx. So we know 2 sin square x is equal to 1 minus cos twice x. So a term kita ami likhibo paru 1 by 2 integration a by 4 to 3a by 4 into 1 minus cos twice pi x by a into dx divided by half of integration 0 to a 1 minus cos twice pi x by a into dx. ইয়াত হাফ হাফ কেঞ্চেল যাব আৰু ফাৰ্দাৰ সিম্পলিফিকেশন কৰিলে আমি পাম p is equal to 1 of যদি আমি ইন্টিগ্রেট করো x পাম মাইনাস sin of যদি করো sin twice pi x by a divided by twice pi by a. Limit kita hoise a by 4 to 3a by 4. Next yat pam x minus sin twice pi x by a divided by twice pi by a. So ইয়াৰ কাৰণে লিমিট কিটা হৈছে from 0 to a. So upper limit minus lower limit যদি কৰো তেতিয়া আমি পাম a by 2 minus a by twice pi into minus 2 divided by ইয়াত পাম a. So further যদি simplify কৰো তেতিয়া আমি পাম 1 by 2 plus 1 by pi. So আমি জানো যে pi value to hoise 3.14. So আমি পাম 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3.14. 1 by 2 basically means 0.5 আৰু এটুক যদি মই ডিভাইড কৰো তেতিয়া পাম 0.3183. So এটো যদি মই প্লাস কৰি দিও ফাইনালি পাম 0.82. So a value to hoise option D.